Okay, in this video we got a bit of a repair. We got a board for Agilent test gear, and you can see they tried to remove this IC. They didn't have a hot air gun. Trying to remove this IC, and they've cut in it. You can see it's come off, but at the same time they've damaged what seem to be some tracks on the sides here. I've got the I've got the ICs here. You can see here I got one and I got two to play with. These are xilinx brand configurable ICs. The gate probably gate arrays or something similar, so they're going to have a memory on the other side to configure them. So there's basically that's nothing. Like I can replace these as long as they're the similar type. I can replace them and it should work fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this slowly. See what is this hanging to. I can't see from this side. Let's go to the other angle, from this angle, and see what it is. Okay. Let's see if I can just do this. Yep, it broke loose. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to remove all these pads, all these pins that's here. We need to remove them and make sure nothing is damaged. So we're just going to go like this, and let me see if the zoom is fine. Yeah, the zoom is alright. Okay, soldering station on, and this is basically the IC that's been all cut. Okay, good amount of flux. Flux is our best friend. There we go. Okay, once we clean everything here, I'm going to go through with multimeter continuity and just give it a quick test to make sure that everything is okay and we don't have any broken tracks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply solder. Oh, let's just clean out soldering iron first. There we go, nice and clean. Okay, I'm going to apply solder and slowly just remove. I don't care about any bridges at this time because it doesn't matter. Okay, that's done that side. Very gently, because we don't know what amount of force has been applied to this before when they've done what they've done, cutting all the pins off. Okay, nice. All right, that's nice. Here we gotta go in an angle. Okay. All right, let's see what else left over. We got some over here. Okay. There's one over there. Okay, that's done. It's over here. Clean the iron. Okay, that's fine. Let's get some solder wick. Let's apply some flux. Okay, got a solder wick. Let's apply some flux to our solder wick as well. Makes it work better. And we're gonna gently Clean our mess. Okay, there's some over there. Okay, there we go. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a smaller one, apply loads of flux, and gently go over them. Okay, that's alright for the time being. Oh, I need to get something on my hand because the wick is getting really hot. Okay, now let's go to this side. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, what I'm going to do is going to get some clearing and clean the flux off. Let's see what we're left with. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now let's see, where were those breaks that we had? Okay, that's a test point, so I'm not worried about that. We go one that goes to over here. I'm just trying to see where does it go to. So we go wiggling around and goes into that. Yep, that's fine. We go one here, wiggling around, goes into that. That's fine, it's not damaged. There was one here. Nope, it wasn't actually. No, it wasn't. That's fine. This one goes to over this one, which is fine. And we had some funny business happening here, which is fine. It's not broken. It's just slightly scratched at the top. Something over here. We got, yep, we got a breakage here. There. That's our damaged pad. It's not making contact to here. As you can see, she's wiggling around and coming here. I got contact here, but nothing to here because it's been damaged. You can see it is very close to that. So I need to fix that one first. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to this side I'm gonna make sure there's not making any contact here. Okay. Let's double check that it's not making any contact to this. Nope. Okay, no contact to that. Let's just cut it off from there. Okay. So we're over there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, should I bring it from underneath or should we go over? I think it's best to go over. So I'm going to make a note on what we got here. So over there, and it goes to this pin over there. Okay, that's fine. And then afterward we can run a thing to that and see what happens. We can run a wire afterwards. Okay, so let's just try to put our IC back. And where is pin 1, 18, 50, 81, and pin 1 is over there. So we can orient it this way, like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my glove on, make life easier. Wow. Okay, we got our gloves on. Supposedly these meant to be anti-static. You can tell I haven't tested them properly, but I see a lot of people who do this kind of stuff put them on, so I'm sure somebody's done some form of test somewhere. So anyway, I'm working on anti-static mat, and I'm grounded myself, so it should be fine. All right, let's see. Not happy with the bottom part. Let's do a quick little bit of spin. Nope. Okay. Bottom's fine. That side's fine, and that side's fine. Yep. We are good to go. Now, let's take it down. Down there, down there. Okay, I'm going to switch to a finer tip. You can see here. All right, and I'm going to switch to a, this is the solder I was using before to clean the mess out, and this will be the solder that I'm going to be using now to do the rework. Let's see the difference. There you go, you can see the difference now. Okay, so I'm going to put my solder here. I'm going to clean my tip, nice and clean tip. I'm going to get a tiny bit of solder. It'd be good if my iron was on. Okay, it's coming on quick. Okay, we got some solder on there. 1 and 2 and 3, and we're going to go to 1 there. Okay, I can let go now. I'm going to apply good amount of flux at the bottom here, and I'm going to hold it down again. Okay, that one's done, and we shouldn't be moving anymore. That's perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a bit of solder, so make life easier for me, so I can just, you can see I can hold it down. Flux, clean our solder, the tip, and I'm gonna go like so. Just okay, that side is done. Perfect. I'm gonna spin around like so. No, where are we? There we are. We are here. Apply some flux. Okay. We're gonna come here. Okay. Okay, and done. What we do, we just gonna quickly solder, and then we're gonna come back and make sure that we've done everything right. Okay, we don't need enough space on that side. Where are we? They all look the same. I'm gonna come this side now, like so. Apply a good amount of flux. That's it. I'm gonna clean our tip. The tip should always be cleaned. It's not grabbing the solder for some reason. Everything down to the side. Yeah. Don't want to put too much force on the pad. Just this kind of action, in and out. Machine, let the flux do its job and pull the solder in, and then you pull out. There we go, perfect. And we got this side to do now. Apply flux. Clean our tip. And I'm gonna come on this angle. Okay, I think we got a switch there. There we go, we got rid of the bridge. We're slightly not aligned on this side. That's fine. Will do. Let's do a quick cleanup. That's what we want. Nice and shiny. Okay. Here we go. Right. So let's do that. And quickly check. Let's see. Where is my good old that? Okay. Now, finish with the cleaning. There we are. Okay, do a quick solid test. Make sure the pins are yep. Yep. Nice and solid. Perfect. Yep, perfect. Okay, they're all nice and done. Now we need to put that wire. So I'm going to go this way. Makes life easier. And it was to, you can see it was this one that was missing from there to here. Okay, and the other one was, oh, the other one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was this one in the middle of these two. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a wire. I'm gonna tin that wire. Okay. Gonna get our soldering. Okay. There we are. Let's go all the way up there. Let's do around there. Let's get some solder. Okay. Now let's see which way is better to go. Shall we come? Nope. You can't go there because I've got too much. It's gonna make contact to that. So what I'm gonna do, I need to cut it a bit short. I don't want to create a short there. So I'm gonna put on top the IC, and I'm gonna cut that bit off, and get rid of that. Apply some flux. There we go. Now I'm gonna get my iron again. I'm gonna get better solder. There we go. Oh, yeah, I didn't caught any. There we go. Okay, now that's better. I'm not gonna short anything down. I'm gonna cut my wire because it's too long. Put that aside. Now let's see if we come this way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was into there. Okay. Right. Okay, let's just clean this mess up here. Okay, now I'm gonna come here to this resistor there. I'm gonna apply a dab of super glue. Then I'm gonna come with my here. I'm gonna drain it a bit. Okay, super glue is not doing its job. Not sure why it's called the super glue. It should have just been called glue. I don't have green solder mask. I don't know whether to put that on now. Okay, I think we need to abandon our super glue idea and move into the next round, which is this. Okay. That will do for now. And I'm gonna grab my curing thing, ultraviolet light, and put this on. Great. Now the ultraviolet light is not working. Huh. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Get our UV light sorted and see. Quickly put that on. I need to buy a more powerful one. Okay, for the time being it's fine. It does what it's supposed to. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's what I should have done to begin with, not with the silly super glue, which should have been called useless glue. Didn't do what it's supposed to do. Okay, and then what we got. So if I go to here and put another dab there. Okay, and let's set that up. Okay. Alright, that's done. Hopefully it's solid enough for our work. Yep, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're here. Okay, so we need to put a dab here as well, where I'm holding. Oh, didn't cure enough. Lift it up too quick. Okay, I'm gonna put another dab where I am. Okay, where are we? We there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's just put a dab. Whoa, it's more than a dab. That's dabbing and a half. Okay. Let's just put it for a bit, cure everything up. I got a more powerful one. It's here. This one is going to be a thing, but I don't. It's USB. I need to get a proper USB hub to sort things out here. Okay. Alright, so let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're right on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to get my. Okay, we don't need that for the time being. I'm going to get my soldering iron. Gonna bring this one up slowly if I can. Nope. Gonna grab it. There we go. Perfect. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I need to cut a bit more. I got too much going on. Okay. Oh, we didn't cut enough. And my . Thing hasn't set properly. I don't think it's a good quality what I got. You can see it's not set properly. If anyone knows a good brand, for the mask, let me know, because the one I got not the best. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There we go. Straighten the top bit. Some flex. Clean a tip. There we go. Okay, now what I can do is I can apply better amount. There we go. And that one is done. Let's cover this up as well. Let's cover these parts. There. We're off with their cuts and bruises. Okay, I can see something. I'm not 100% sure if that's made the contact. Yeah, it is. Okay, and let's just put our UV on. And let's just do this. Let's press over there. Okay, perfect. Let's put that away. Get some, clean some flux off. Go to near there because I haven't not probably cured yet properly. But yeah, there we go. I'm happy with that. You can see here. Not bad. There we go. Hopefully it will work, and hopefully that was the only problem that they had. And any other issues, I'm sure they will get back to me and let me know. But hopefully that will be it, and it's fixed the problem. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing because it keeps the channel going. And until next video, have a good day.